Hey guys, we're out here at Willow Springs with Flavor Express. I'm excited to test out a new angle kit on my car. Changed a lot of things actually on the angle kit. It's just a simple cut knuckle and extended arm setup with a spacer. And then we're out here with Jared. It's got a nice V8. I'm not sure what type of V8, but it's a V8 and an E30. And then we have Zach here also with a V8. Pretty cool cars. All right, so I made and cut this livery if you haven't noticed already. I have Petrolworks right here, Link ECU, Zemlock Speed and Engineering, does a lot of welding for me. And Jelly Cakes, which is my mom's business. She makes baked goods, cupcakes, anything dessert-wise. And then Mass Tuning, he's the one that tunes my car. And then obviously my website right here. We make fiberglass parts for your E36. And then we have Carbon Lab right here. This is Brad's brand. I made it with a vinyl machine. Had to do like a double layer place because I can only cut one color at a time. Yeah, it was really, really tedious. It's not perfect in person, but on camera, it's gonna look really good. All right, so we've been doing a couple laps. Car's getting super hot to like 215. Luckily, I got this tire sprayer and I've been spraying my car down. And it actually brings down the temps pretty fast. I'm picking up a lot of rubber. You can't really tell, but like, that's kind of crazy. What's really been nice, this tire sprayer has been keeping my tires super, super cool. I was spraying them earlier as soon as I got off track. They were smoking hot, like really, really hot. These are left over from Good Luck League, from the rainy event. And I still got lots of tread left. I don't know how much, but I put my finger in it. This side is starting to de-lamb a little bit. That's actually pretty bad. All these little spots. And I think that's because I've been dragging the e-brake everywhere. Dude, is that a pre-runner? What the heck? extremely hard, as you can see. Now the bumper is like hanging off, but it should be good. Gotta top off the oil. It's not low, but it's below where I want it to be. Better safe than sorry with this new engine. Will I miss? No, I won't. Oh. Why did I get a metal one? Oh my God. Burning my fingers with your metal cap. Even though I got the Achilles oil pan baffle, I'm still topping off the oil to this dot right here. That way, the baffle just always has oil. You don't want to make your pickup tube not pick up any oil. That's really bad. Even though the baffle helps with that. But it's better to be safe than sorry, and I would say it's pretty perfect. Would you say that's on the dot? This track actually kind of drives similar to the sim. It's actually pretty easy on the sim, but I'd say it's easier in real life just because you feel the inertia. When it's super steep downhill, like you can really predict where to place a car and how gravity is gonna move your car for you, I guess you can say. got RJ here. He's gonna try out the car, see what a real pro driver thinks of it. How does it feel like off the bat right now?
Good.
Normal?
It
feels like an E36.
Yeah. The steering wheel feels very reactive. Okay. So I could very much notice that the sway bar is connected. Because your sway bars are connected, I feel that it comes back faster than mine.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
So in mine, since they're not connected, and I'm
you did.
My brake pedal goes to the floor every time I touch it. No, he was saying, I was like, oh, do you talk when you drive? And he was like, no. He's like, what do you say? And I go, oh, a lot.
Okay, all right. What's up? Huh?
Explain.
No, I'm not. This can't be on YouTube.